Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable margin on Robinhood. Now step 1 is open the application of Robinhood and just click on the profile section which will be on the below right corner. Just click on the profile section and after that you will be at this page. So just click on these three lines from the upper left corner, and once you click on these three lines, so you will be sent to this menu section. So from here just choose the first option, which is called investing, and once you click on investing, so you will be seeing this page called investing, your portfolio, crypto and all those details. So from this section, make sure to scroll down and go to the end of this page, which will be like this one. So as you can see, read some details as well, like margin investing, day trades, mode, and you might be seeing some other details or some other options as well. So here is an option called margin investing. Now, if you want to disable it, as you can see, like this has been already disabled. If you want to enable it, just click on enable margin investing, and once you click on enable, it will be enabled. Now, if in case your case it is enabled, so just click on disable margin investing, and it will be disabled. That is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.